This lecture is for The Living Earth, Unit 1.3, Describing Populations. Today's essential question is, what is the difference between density-dependent and density-independent factors? Population demographics. Population demographics vary due to both density-independent factors and density-dependent factors. Density-dependent factors affect populations more as the population density increases. Competition for resources becomes more intense as density increases. The resource availability is an example of a density-dependent factor. Infectious diseases are diseases that can be spread from one host to another. So, infectious diseases are a density-dependent factor. An increase in the density increases the rate of host interactions, which, in turn, hastens the spread of the disease. This axiom supports health professionals' recommendations that people with infectious diseases, such as the flu, stay home and avoid interactions with other people. Predation is also a density-dependent factor. Higher numbers of prey result in increases in the predator population. Higher predator numbers increase the predation rate. Higher numbers of prey can change predator behavior. For example, many predators prefer to hunt more abundant prey. So as a particular prey population becomes less abundant, predators will choose a different prey population as long as one is available. Decreases in the number of prey will also decrease predator numbers. Decline in predators releases the predation stress on the prey population, and then their numbers will increase again. These cyclic fluctuations in a population size of predator populations and the prey result in the so-called predator-prey relationship and the co-evolution of predators and their prey. Density-dependent factors are generally biotic or living components. Resource availability is a notable exception, as these resources can be either biotic, such as prey numbers, or abiotic, such as the availability of water. Density-independent factors. Density-independent factors are often abiotic. By definition, they do not vary with population density. Severe weather events, such as fires and floods, affect large and small populations regardless of population size. Human activities, such as the release of pollutants and habitat destruction, can also affect populations independent of their density. Non-infectious diseases are an example of a biotic density-independent factor. Non-infectious diseases, such as cancer, which are not spread from individual to individual, have similar rates in low and high density populations. At this point, you should be able to generate an answer to today's essential question: what is the difference between density-dependent and density-independent factors?